3 irresistible phrases that trigger instant chemistry with women. Most men are chasing the wrong things when it comes to attraction. They think they need to be taller, richer, or better looking. The truth is far simpler and far more powerful. The right words delivered with calm confidence can flip the entire dynamic in seconds. What if 3 short phrases could make her lean in, light up, and actually feel drawn to you without any games or gimmicks? Today I'm breaking down exactly what those phrases are, why they work on a psychological level, and how you can start using them immediately. I've spent years studying real conversations between men and women, and these 3 lines consistently create curiosity, emotional connection, and that electric spark most guys never reach. Let's dive in. Phrase 1, the open loop. The human brain hates unfinished stories. When you start to reveal something but pull back slightly, her mind fills in the blanks and she becomes genuinely curious about you. Hear how it sounds in real life. She's telling you about her weekend or her job. You listen, then casually say, "You know, that actually reminds me of something interesting. Never mind, it's probably not important." Then you smoothly shift the topic back to her. Watch what happens. Most women will circle back within a minute or two and ask, "Wait, what were you going to say?" That's your opening. Now you deliver a real, thoughtful observation about her character, not her looks. Something like, "I was going to say you have this calm way of explaining things that makes people actually listen. It's rare." This isn't manipulation. It's showing you're paying attention on a deeper level than most men ever do. It moves the conversation from surface-level small talk into something memorable. Phrase 2, the identity compliment. Generic compliments about beauty are background noise to an attractive woman. She's heard them all before. What actually lands is when you notice something about who she really is. Wait for her to share an opinion, a story, or a value. Then hit her with this. Most people don't pick up on this, but you have a really sharp way of seeing things. It's refreshing. Or you've got this mix of strength and warmth that's pretty uncommon. I respect that. The key is specificity and sincerity. You're speaking to her identity, not her appearance. Research on attraction shows that compliments tied to character and skill create stronger emotional responses and are remembered far longer. Deliver it with steady eye contact, a slight pause, and then continue the conversation naturally. Don't fish for a reaction. High-value men give value and keep moving. This phrase cuts through her defenses because it proves you're actually seeing her, not just another pretty face. If you're finding this valuable so far, drop a like and let me know in the comments which of these phrases you're going to try first. I read every comment. Phrase 3, the power flip. Most conversations with women feel like interviews because men ask all the questions. The guy who flips the frame controls the vibe. When she asks you something personal, what do you do? Why are you single? What are you looking for? Don't give the standard answer. Instead, gently hand it back. What's your theory? Or, I could tell you, but I'm more curious what you think. Then smile slightly and hold the eye contact. This playful reversal does several things at once. It creates intrigue, takes the pressure off you, and subtly shows you're selective. She starts qualifying herself and investing in the conversation. That shift from interviewer to equal creates natural tension and chemistry. One of my clients used this when a woman asked why he was still single. He replied, "What's your best guess?" She laughed and said he probably had high standards. He followed up with, "Interesting. What would high standards even look like to you?" The conversation went from polite to flirty in under 30 seconds. Use this wisely. Don't dodge basic questions forever, but deploy it when she's testing or qualifying you. It turns the moment into something fun and magnetic. Gentlemen, these 3 phrases work because they come from grounded confidence, not neediness. They're rooted in real psychology and timeless principles of strong communication. Your challenge this week is simple. Pick one, the open loop, the identity compliment, or the power flip, and use it in your next real conversation. Then come back here and tell me what happened. If you want more tools to become the kind of man who naturally attracts high-quality women, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the community. We're dropping practical, no BS advice every week. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below. Which phrase resonated with you most? Where are you going to test it first? I reply to the best ones personally. This isn't about collecting lines. It's about becoming the man who creates real connection effortlessly. Stay strong. I'll see you in the next one.